Well, the key to maintaining a property is when there is an issue, you go there and you physically meet contractors, you walk the roof, you walk the parking lot, you're intimately familiar with the building. And that's a key difference for us than many of our competitors. The second part is planning ahead. All systems break down over time. There's a capital expense budget that has to be planned for, that has to be organized and communicated and saved for. So we encourage owners, we set that capital plan at the beginning of every year. We encourage owners to pull funds aside as though we know this future expense is coming. It's just like a savings account that an individual might have, but to have a savings account set aside and a plan set aside for any future capital expenditures so nothing gets deferred, nothing gets left behind, and everything is planned for.